Hello, and thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you use Microsoft Edge on your phone and want a faster way to revisit your previous searches, this video is for you. I'll guide you step by step to enable search history as suggestions on Edge Mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your device. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down and tap on Search to access search-related preferences. Finally, you will see an option called Search History. Simply toggle it on to enable your search history to appear as suggestions when you search. Now, your past searches will help you save time by appearing as suggestions. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing for more useful tech tutorials and app tips. See you next time.